first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. dy by dx is equal to, this is first function and differentiation of sin x is cos x and cos x is minus sin x. So numerator by denominator, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Secant square x is gone, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into tan x is tan x. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So, in my previous class we have discussed regarding the problems based on product rule and quotient rule in derivatives. Today in this session I am going to discuss few more problems, derivatives of functions. So, using product rule and quotient rule. Let us recall the product rule, that is d by dx of uv. So, uv into dv by dx plus v into du by dx, that is first function into derivative of the second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Similarly, if it is a quotient rule, d by dx of u by v. So, u by v, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. U into, that is d by dx of u by v is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. So, using this concept, let us discuss few more problems from the exercise. Now, let us differentiate the following. Differentiate the following with respect to x. What is the first problem? Y is equal to x to the power of 4 into 5 sin x minus 3 cos x, right? Now, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x to the power of 4 into 5 times sin x minus 3 times cos x. Now, this is first function, second function. U constant, x to the power of 4 constant, d by dx of 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. First function into derivative of second function plus second function constant 5 sin x minus 3 cos x constant into d by dx of first function, that is x to the power of 4. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So, this is as it is, x to the power of 4 into 5 times differentiation of sin x is cos x minus 3 as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, right? Now, plus this is same 5 sin x minus 3 cos x into derivative of x raised to 4. So, you know the formula, just recall, d by dx of x raised to n is nx to the power of n minus 1. Here this is 4x to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3. So, therefore, this can be written as dy by dx is equal to x to the power of 4 times 5 cos x minus into minus plus 3 sin x plus, just if you want you can put this 4x cube here, 4x cube into 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. This is how we are going to differentiate this given function using product rule, right? First function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. So, differentiation of 5 sin x is 5 cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus, it becomes plus 3 sin x, that is it. And derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. Now, move on to a similar problem. Similarly, let us take if y is equal to e to the power of x into sin x plus cos x. Now, how to differentiate this? Same, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, this is first function and differentiation of sin x is cos x and cos x is minus sin x plus second function constant sin x plus cos x constant and differentiation of e to the power of x is e power x itself. What is differentiation of e power x? E power x. If you want, you can take e to the power of x common factor, e power x out. So, what is left over is cos x minus sin x plus sin x plus cos x. So, this is minus sin x plus sin x gets cancelled dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x into cos x plus cos x is 2 cos x. So, therefore, the required answer is 2 times e to the power of x into cos x, right. So, this is how we are going to apply the product rule. Now, move on to the next problem. Similarly, let us consider one more example. If y is equal to x plus secant x into x minus tan x, this can also be differentiated as differentiating with respect to x. So, that is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x plus secant x into x minus tan x. This is also same as that of the previous problem, product rule. Now, differentiate this. So, use product rule for this first function x plus secant x, first function into differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Okay. Now, plus second function constant, that is v constant, x minus tan x into differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So, if you want, you can stop here itself or multiply, you will get the answer. So, if you want, you can stop here itself, or if you want, you can multiply 1 x first, x into 1 is x minus x secant square x, again with secant x, 1 into secant x is secant x minus secant into secant square is secant cube x, plus similarly for this x into 1 is x, plus x secant x tan x, again minus 1 into tan x is tan x, minus into plus minus secant x, tan into tan is tan square x. So, if you want, you can add x plus x is equal to 2x minus x secant square x plus secant x minus secant cube x plus x secant x minus tan x minus secant x tan square x. So, if you want, you can stop here itself. For further simplification, you simplify it. Now, move on to a similar type problem. Now, suppose if it is like that, similarly if y is equal to 1 minus sin x into 1 plus cos x. So, similarly if it is like this, 1 minus sin x into 1 plus cos x. So, if you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 1 minus sin x into 1 plus cos x. This is same UV method. So, 1 minus sin x into differentiation of x, differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, plus second function constant 1 plus cos x into differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now, multiply this. Minus 1 into sin x is sin x, minus into minus plus sin into sin is sin square x. Again, minus 1 into cos x is cos x, plus into minus minus cos into cos is cos square x. Now, this can be written as minus sin x minus cos x plus sin square x minus cos square x. This is how we are going to differentiate. This is the derivative of y, right. Now, move on to the next type of problem, that is problems based on the quotient rule. Now, differentiate y is equal to sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x. Now, differentiating with respect to x, So, this is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x. So, this is of the form u by v, quotient rule. So, numerator by denominator, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Now, this is equal to, first keep denominator constant, sin x minus cos x into d by dx of numerator, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. So, what is denominator? We have sin x minus cos x whole the square. Now this can be written as sin x minus cos x as it is, sin x minus cos x into differentiate. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus this function is same sin x plus cos x and differentiate this. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus it becomes plus sin x divided by the denominator square. What is there in the denominator? Sin x minus cos x whole the square. Now here this can also be written as y dash dy by dx is equal to, you just keep this as it is, sin x minus cos x into cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x minus sin x plus cos x and sin x plus cos x and cos x plus sin x are one and the same. This can also be written as sin x plus cos x whole square divided by the denominator, that is sin x minus cos x whole square. That's it. If you want, you can further simplify it. Now move on to the next problem. Y is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Same, differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x, what we will get? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. This is u by v. Denominator 1 plus tan x into differentiation of numerator 1 constant 0 minus differentiation of tan x is secant square x minus numerator 1 minus tan x into differentiation of denominator 1 is 0, tan x is secant square x divided by the denominator square, that is 1 plus tan x whole the square. So you can take secant square x common factor, secant square x is out. What is left? Minus 1 minus tan x, secant square x is gone, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into tan x is tan x, again minus secant square x is taken out, multiply by negative sign, minus into minus plus tan x divided by the denominator square 1 plus tan x whole square. So what happens? Minus tan x plus tan x gets cancelled, minus 1 is minus 2. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 is minus 2 secant square x minus 2 secant square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole the square. Right. Now this is how we are going to differentiate this. Suppose if it is like this, we can do this. If y is equal to 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x. So here it is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus cos x. It is 1 plus cos x by 1 minus sin x. Find dy by dx. Now differentiating with respect to x, what happens? This is dy by dx is equal to u by v method. Denominator 1 minus cos x into differentiation of numerator 1 is 0 and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus numerator 1 plus cos x into differentiation of denominator 1 is 0 and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus it is plus sin x divided by, in the denominator we have denominator square. Now you can take sin x common factor. So if sin x is taken out, then this becomes minus 1, minus into minus plus cos x, and we have taken sin. What is left is minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into cos x is cos x divided by the denominator 1 minus cos x whole square. Now here plus cos x minus cos x gets cancelled. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 is minus 2 sin x divided by 1 minus cos x whole the square. This is how we are going to differentiate this function. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. if y is equal to x minus cos x divided by sin x. So you may expect this type of question for 4 marks. Now differentiating with respect to x, so this is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 5 minus cos x divided by sin x. Now this is u by v. This is equal to denominator sin x into differentiation of numerator. X raised to 5 is 5x to the power of 4 minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus becomes plus sin x, minus denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator x raised to 5 minus cos x into differentiation of denominator sin x is cos x divided by the denominator square, that is sin x whole the square. So if you want, you can stop here itself or multiply it. So 5x to the power of 4 sin x again plus sin x into sin is sin square x again minus x raised to 5 into cos x is x power 5 cos x minus into minus plus cos x into cos x is cos square x divided by the denominator sin x whole square. Now this is equal to, therefore this can also be written as dy by dx is equal to 5x raised to 4 sin x then minus x to the power of 5 cos x plus what is left over is sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x whole divided by the denominator sin x whole square. So therefore this can also be written as dy by dx is equal to 5x raised to 4 sin x minus x to the power of 5 cos x plus, you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 divided by sin x whole square or sin square x. This is how we are going to differentiate. Now move on to the similar type problem. Suppose the same problem is like this. Similarly, if the same problem y is equal to x to the power of 5 instead of minus cos x, if it is x raised to 5 cos x divided by denominator is sin x. Now x to the power of 5 into cos x divided by sin x. Differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x power 5 cos x divided by sin x. Now first differentiate this using u by v method. Dy by dx is equal to denominator sin x into differentiation of numerator x power 5 cos x minus numerator x power 5 cos x into d by dx of denominator sin x divided by denominator square sin x whole the square. Now this is equal to sin x as it is, and observe carefully, this can be differentiated using product rule uv. So first function x power 5 into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x constant and differentiation of x raised to 5 is 5x to the power of 4 minus x raised to 5 cos x as it is, and differentiation of sin x is cos x whole divided by in the denominator sin x whole square or sin square x. Now if you want, you just stop here itself, or further y dash is equal to, if you want you can stop here itself, or further we can write y dash dy by dx is equal to sin x into minus x to the power of 5 sin x plus cos x into 5x to the power of 4 minus x raised to 5 cos x into cos x is cos square x whole divided by sin square x. That's it. Just multiply. If you want, you can multiply with this also. Enough. This is how we are going to differentiate. So the important is here it is both u by v as well as uv method we are going to apply. Now move on to the next problem. So if y is equal to x plus cos x divided by tan x. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x plus cos x divided by tan x. So, this is u by v method. Denominator tan x into differentiate this. So, differentiation of x is 1, cos x is minus sin x minus numerator x plus cos x into differentiation of tan x is secant square x divided by the denominator square. Denominator is tan x whole the square. Now, multiply it. So, y dash is equal to tan x into 1 is tan x minus tan x into sin x, tan x sin x minus x into secant square x is x secant square x minus into plus minus cos x into secant square x, cos x into secant square x whole divided by tan x whole square, or this can also be written as tan square x. That is it. This is how we are going to differentiate this function. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Y is equal to x divided by 1 plus tan x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x divided by 1 plus tan x. Again, this is also u by v method. Denominator 1 plus tan x into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of denominator 1 is 0, tan x is secant square x divided by the denominator square 1 plus tan x whole square. Now, this can be written as 1 plus tan x minus x secant square x divided by the denominator square 1 plus tan x whole square. This is how we are going to differentiate this problem. Okay. Now, suppose if we differentiate similarly, if the same problem, suppose if it is required to find dy by dx at x is equal to some value, say pi by 4. So, just put x is equal to pi by 4. What you will get? Dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. Substitute here. So, what you will get? 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus pi by 4 into secant square pi by 4 divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 whole square. So, since you know what is tan 45, tan pi by 4 is 1 and secant pi by 4 is equal to root 2. Substitute here. 1 plus 1 minus pi by 4 as it is. Secant square 45 is root 2 whole square divided by 1 plus 1 whole square. So, this can be written as 1 plus 1 is 2 minus pi by 4 into square root gets cancelled 2 divided by 2 square. So, you can multiply pi by 4 into 2 is 90, pi by 2. So, 2 minus pi by 2 divided by 4 is the simplified answer. This is how we are going to find dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Hope you followed. So, these are few types of problems using product rule as well as a quotient rule. Hope you followed. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.